Welcome to this brand new listing in Wolf Run, 4757 Summit Lake Place. This is a 4-bedroom with a loft and an extra flex room on the main level. Come on inside and I'll show you around. You're greeted by a beautiful 2-story entryway with laminate wood flooring and some extra detail wainscoting. And then we have a formal dining room here. I like that this has a boxed window for a little bit of a window seat, and there are glass French doors as well. Kitchen has cherry cabinets, beautiful stainless steel appliances, a nice size pantry, and of course an island for extra workspace. In addition to that formal dining room, you also have this eating nook, which overlooks the backyard and patio. And it's open to the great room that also has a gas fireplace. Thanks for taking the time to tour this home with us. If you'd like to schedule a showing, feel free to reach out to me, Denise Wilson. My information's at the bottom of the screen.